Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Kool-Aid pickles. First, gather your ingredients. 1 large 32-ounce jar of dill pickles, 1 packet of unsweetened Kool-Aid mix, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of water. You'll also need a large mixing bowl and a whisk. This simple recipe transforms ordinary pickles into a sweet and tangy treat, perfect for any occasion. Let's dive into the preparation steps. Now let's prepare our pickles. Carefully drain all the pickle juice from the jar into a separate container. Do not discard it. Next, slice your pickles into halves or quarters. This helps them soak up all that delicious flavor. In a large bowl, combine the drained pickle juice with 1 cup of water and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Whisk this mixture until the sugar is fully dissolved, creating a sweet brine. It's time for the star ingredient, Kool-Aid. Open your chosen packet of unsweetened Kool-Aid mix and pour it directly into your prepared brine solution. Stir the mixture vigorously for about 1 to 2 minutes until the Kool-Aid powder is completely dissolved. Watch as the brine transforms into a vibrant, colorful liquid. Make sure there are no lumps, ensuring an even flavor distribution throughout your pickles. Finally, let's get those pickles soaking. Carefully place your sliced pickles back into their original jar or a clean, airtight container. Pour the vibrant Kool-Aid brine over them, ensuring they are completely submerged. Seal the jar tightly and refrigerate for a minimum of 3 to 5 days. For best results, flip the jar once a day to ensure every pickle gets an even coating of that delicious, sweet, and tangy flavor. Enjoy your unique treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.